have the Magic Sponge Erasers here. This is a 20 pack. And I was looking for a firm and a dense sponge. Right away, these feel very substantial. Very substantial. I like the stronger density. They seem like they're going to hold up well. I'm going to use these to clean my pool tile outside. A simple wet, no soap, no spray. I'm going to wet this, I'm going to squeeze it, and then I'm going to clean the tile on the pool. And that's why I wanted this 20 pack. They're going to be great for a quick clean, and I really like that no chemicals whatsoever. Compared to the Magic Mr. Clean Erasers, I really like the way they feel. They feel impressively close to the name brand in both toughness and what I hope is going to be cleaning power. So, you know, for a fraction of the price, this is a good option, a 20 pack. Highly recommend.